So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once this comes up, we're going to type in power CFG space / hibernate space on. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. You now want to run this scan. We can run this scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you run this, we're going to click on power options. Now you want to select high performance. And then once you've done that, on the left hand side, you want to click on choose what the power buttons do. Now once this comes up, you want to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You should now be seeing turn on fast startup recommended. Make sure you have this ticked. You want to tick this and then click on save changes. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accounts. And then once you're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find sign in options. You want to click on this. Now you want to scroll down again till we find automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. Make sure that you have this turned off. You want to turn this off. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in task manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on startup apps. Now once this comes up, you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. So for example, in my case, Security Health Sys starts up automatically when I turn on my computer. And I know it does that because under status it says enabled. And I'm going to now disable it because I don't want it to start when my computer turns on. So I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. Repeat this for all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. And now for the next step, we're going to go back into CMD. Now once we're here, we're going to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And now once that's been done, for the last step, we're just going to restart computer. And now Windows is going to boot much faster.